Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Chicken Game here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable bubble chat on your Roblox game. So right now if I type something in the chat, it's not going to appear above my head. So I'm going to teach you how to enable it so it does appear above your head. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is have this Explorer window open. So if you don't have it open, you need to click on View at the top, then click on Explorer, and Explorer should appear on the side of your screen. So once you've got that opened, you need to scroll down to Chat, and then tick the box that says Bubble Chat Enabled. So just check that box, and now you'll have Bubble Chat enabled in your game. So let's go in the game and see how it looks. Alright, I've just loaded it in the game. So if I type something in the chat like hi, it's gonna put it in a speech bubble above my head. Alright, so I hope this video helped. So if this helped for your game and you want to see more videos like this in the future, then make sure you go like, subscribe and turn the bell so then you'll be notified when that video comes out. Also remember to leave video suggestions in the comment section down below for a shout out on my videos. Also go subscribe to my friend Adam, also known as George Plays YT, link in the description. Because he's going to be doing Roblox Studio tutorials and he's doing gameplay videos as well. So if you want to go see some of them, make sure you go subscribe to his channel. Link will be in the description. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Slow down.